Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Children, as you all know, we are learning measurement and we have started 2 days back measurement of weight. So we have completed first 2 pages and we have learned that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, and we have already discussed about balances and denominations of weight. Okay? So children, today we are going to learn, that is, the topic for today is conversion of units of mass. Okay, so our topic for today is conversion of units of mass, that is weight. Okay children, for this, first of all, we must know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay, when we are going to convert into gram, so what we will do? We will going to multiply with 1000. Okay. So the first thing that we are going to learn today, to convert kilograms into grams. To convert grams. Now first we will write, children, that how to convert grams. So to convert kilograms into grams. Okay, so this is our number 1 topic. So we multiply the number of, to convert kilograms into grams, what we will do? We will multiply the number of kilogram by 1000 gram. Okay, so 1000 to convert kilogram into grams. So always remember, children, whenever we are converting kilograms into grams, that we have to multiply the number of kilogram by 1000 to convert into grams. Okay, so let's start few examples, because it is very important that we have to solve first, because this formula is given over here and we have to apply it. After application we can solve the problems. Okay, so to convert kilograms into grams, we multiply the number of kilogram by 1000. Then we will get the answer in grams. Okay children? Now children, let's see few examples. Convert into grams. Okay? Now suppose if we want to convert 4 kg in grams, so how can we do? So first of all we will write 4 kg, okay, equal to 1000 multiply by 4 gram, so it will become 4000 grams. Okay, now 3 kg, suppose 3 kg we are going to convert into grams. So we will write 3 kg equal to 1000 multiply by 3 grams equal to 3000 grams. Okay, now one more example we will see. Suppose if we want to convert 8 kgs into grams, so what we will do, 8 kg equal to 1000 multiply by 8 grams equal to 8000 gram. Okay, so we will do the multiplication with the given kilograms. So this, always remember that whenever we are going to convert kilogram into grams, so we will multiply the given number of kilograms by 1000. Okay, so children, now we are going to start few exercises. Okay, so children, before going to start our exercise, we will also learn that if the kg is given over here along with the grams, suppose if it is given 1 kg 250 grams, so how can we convert into grams? So children, we will learn this also. For example, convert into grams. Okay, convert into grams. Suppose if it is written 4 kg and 350 grams. Okay, so how we are going to convert into grams? It is written over here 4 kg, and along with 4 kg you can see 350 grams also there. So children, let's see, 4 kg 350 gram. Now 4 kg and 350 grams equal to 1000. Okay, multiply by 4 grams. Okay, plus 350 grams. Because why it is there? Because gram is already given in the grams, so we are not going to convert it. We only convert, that's 4 kg, because the question is convert into gram. The kilogram is given over here, and along with the kilogram the grams is also given. So what we will do, we will convert this 1000 multiplied by 4 kg, 4 grams plus 350 grams. Okay, so let's see how can we do. So when we are going to multiply 1000 by 400 gram, we will get, children, 4000 gram plus 350 grams. Okay children, now after adding this we will see that is 4350 grams. This is your answer. So always remember, whenever you will get this type of the question. Now children, after solving this, I will give you one more example to understand better. Okay, so this is your next example, that is 5 kg and 3 grams. Okay, 5 kg and 3 grams. So children, always remember, because we are converting into grams, kgs into grams, so this gram along with the kg will be added. Okay, after multiplication by 1000, this gram will be added. This is not going to convert into grams because it is already in the grams. So children, here you can see 5 kg and 3 grams. 3 grams equal to, here you can see, we are going to multiply with 1000 multiply by 5 grams plus 3 grams. Okay, so here you can see, after multiplication we will get 5000 plus 3 grams equal to 5003 grams. So this is your answer. Okay, so after multiplication of 5 grams we will get 5000. Because this 3 grams is given over here, so we are going to add this with 5000, so it will become 5003 grams. Okay, now next example. Next example is 2 kg and 15 gram. 2 kg and 15 grams. Okay, so children, we are going to multiply with 1000. So 1 equal to 1000 multiply by 2 grams plus 15 grams. Okay, now here you can see, after the multiplication of 1000 we will get 2000 gram plus 15 grams. Okay, now here the answer you will get 2015 grams. 2015 grams, this is your answer. So children, as we have seen in these examples, we will do in exercise also. Now after learning convert into grams, we will learn that how can we convert grams into kilograms. Okay, so for this, so now we are going to start to convert grams into kilograms. To convert grams into kilograms. For doing this, we just separate ones, tens, hundreds, then we will get kilogram easily. So to convert grams into kilograms or into kilograms and grams, we separate the ones, tens and hundred digits from the given number of grams. So it is quite easy to take the kilograms easily or separate the or convert the kilogram easily. Because if the grams is given over here and we are going to convert into kilogram, so we just arrange it. First, we just given number, we just arrange into tens, ones and hundreds and thousands. So we can convert into kilogram easily. Okay children. So to convert into kg and grams, here if it is example is given over here 5000 grams. Suppose if we are going to convert into kg, so how can we do this? So first of all, when it is written here 500 grams, 5000 grams, so we will arrange this 5 kg, okay, because 500 grams it's 5 kg. Now plus 0 grams, because grams is not over here, okay, equal to 5 kg, equal to 5 kg. So first we have arranged into 100, then tens equally, and again we will get 5 kg over here. Now if we want to convert 5830 grams, 5830 grams, so how can we convert? We are going to write over here 5000 gram plus 830 gram. Okay, now we will get 5 kg and 830 grams. So here children you can see, because 830 grams is given over here and this is 5000 gram. So when we will add this, because this is the not edible, because it is not given in the thousands. So that is why 5 kg and 830 gram we will write. Now children, if we will convert, next example I will give you. If we will convert 3080 grams into kilograms, so what we will do children, we will write 3080 grams, okay, 3080 grams equal to 3000 grams, okay, plus 80 grams, okay, equal to 3 kg and 80 grams, okay. So now here children, to convert grams into kilogram or grams, we will only separate this. We will convert, we will arrange in the ones, tens and 100 and 1000 digit. So we will get this 3000 plus 80 grams equal to 3 kg and 80 grams. So we will do likewise. Now children, we will do our next exercise, that convert the following into grams. So here, because we have completed this, so that is why we will going to do the question, that is convert the following into grams, okay. So here we have already done, so that is quite easy for us to complete this. So children, let's start. Convert the following into grams. Convert the following into grams, okay. So here children, we are going to convert, it is given in kilograms, so we are going to convert into grams. So how can we do? So this is 7 number question and this is 2 kg. 2 kg is given over here. So how can we convert it? If it is given over here 2 kg, so how can we convert? Let's see children. We will going to multiply with 1000 of 2 kg, okay. Then we will get 2000 gram, okay. That we have already done, okay. Now the next is children, grams. You will write over here 2 grams, okay, not kg, because it is already kg, so we are not going to write into kg. Now here children, again it is given 6 kg. 8 number is 6 kg. 6 kg. So here we will going to multiply by 6 gram equal to 1000. When we are going to multiply it, what we will get? We will get 6000 gram children. This is the answer of number 8. So children, complete it. This is number 8. Now we are going to do number 9, okay. Number 9 we are going to do children. Number 9 is 9 kg. 9 kg, okay. So 9 kg we are going to multiply by 9 grams equal to 9000 gram, okay. 9 kg into grams, we are going to multiply with 1000 by 9 grams and we will get 9000 grams. Now children, similarly we will do our next exercises also, because we have opted that 7 number because it was based on that topic we have discussed earlier. So we will do 10 number, 11 number and 12 number. In 10 number, what is given over here? 3 kg and 585 grams. So it is already given into grams, 585 grams. So what we will do, children? We are going to multiply with 1000, multiply by 3 grams equal to, we will get 3000 grams plus 585 grams it is given over here. So when we are going to add that 3585 grams, so what we will get? We will get this answer, that is 3585 grams. So likewise we will do 11 number also. It is given 2 kg and 600 grams. So how can we do this? Again we will multiply with 1000, 3 kg, and we will get that is 2 kg. 2 kg, it will become 2000 gram plus 600 gram. So we are going to add this with 600 grams to 2000 grams. So we will get 2600 grams. Okay. Now again 12 number is 5 kg and 35 grams. So how can we do? Again we will do into grams. We will just convert it into grams. And after that 5000 we will get. After 5000 we will add 35 grams. So it will become 5035 grams. So these exercises, similarly we will do the next exercise also. Because fill in the blanks to make equal weights to both sides. First one is done for you. So this is your homework, and we have started from 7 number because the previous one 1 to 6 are quite easy for you. So because the conversion will be started from 7 number, that is why we have solved 7, 8 and 9 today. Okay, now in our next video we are going to solve 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so children, complete it, these 3 questions, and practice it because this is very important. Okay, now children, in next video we will solve few exercises which are given in this chapter. We will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.